Okay guys, I know I went over this in class, but I just wanted to go over it again, give you a few visuals so you understand exactly what we're working with. As always, email me if you have any questions about anything that I'm going over in this video. Okay, so it's the draft evaluation assignment. You should have the handout. If not, the handout is on Blackboard under week 6. All right, here are the basic instructions. You're going to pick up the drafts from outside of my office. You're going to find your essay writing help handout. On the back is the scoring rubric. So you're going to have your rubric and you're going to have your draft. All of the markings on the draft should match up with the major categories of the rubric. So you'll see ID, OC, SGUM, and CWC. Once you figure all that out, you're going to number all of the markings left on your essay, and then on a separate piece of paper, you're going to put your name and date in the top left-hand corner, and you're going to number your paper based on the number of markings on the draft, and then you're going to explain what each marking means and how you fixed it. You're going to turn in both the draft and the handwriting evaluation on Monday, the 24th. Normally you would turn this in on Wednesday, but remember I'm not going to be here on Wednesday, so you just have to hold on to it for a few days. If you do not give me your draft and your evaluation on Monday, you're going to receive a 0 for both. And this is the video under week 6 that I'm posting in case you have any questions. So let's look at what that's going to look like for you. So you're going to get your draft back that you turned in on Friday, and it's going to look something like this, right? It's going to have all of my markings on it. Okay. What you want to do is just go in, number the markings, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Once you number it, then you pull out your rubric. It's going to look just like this. You're going to focus on these major sections here: idea development, organization and coherence, style, grammar usage mechanics, citations, works cited. Remember, that's what the abbreviations stand for. So ID, OC, SGUM, and CWC. And then you're just going to evaluate. So you have 1 on your paper. You're going to write 1, GUM, needs a header with my name and page number. 2, GUM, needs to be changed to ENGL 1213. 3, GUM, is a contraction, should be changed to would it not. 4, S, I asked a question here. I need to make it into a statement. It should read, history books would be more interesting if they were dessert. Right? And you're just going to do that for your entire draft. Okay. Going to number it, make it match, explain what's wrong, explain how to fix it. That is all I'm asking here. So let's talk about some evaluation clues and hints. So again, ID stands for idea development. If you see that marking, it's maybe something was lacking in your introduction. Maybe you have quotes in your paper, but you don't have an explanation. If you see OC, organization and coherence, for those, a lot of those markings are because I saw no transitions. Maybe you have an S for style. A lot of people are going to see this. Maybe you had contractions or first person or rhetorical questions, or you just had a long paragraph. S is going to kind of cover all of those things. Maybe you saw GUM, grammar usage and mechanics. That I would mark if it were a spacing issue or no title, or your title is lacking. Maybe your title just says analysis essay. Don't give me that. Give me something more unique. Maybe you saw CWC, citations and works cited. Maybe you have an incorrect citation in your paper, or maybe there's something incorrect on your works cited page, or maybe your works cited page is missing. That's why that would be marked. Okay, and these aren't all of the reasons, but just to give you an idea, let's say you have a weak thesis statement. I would put ID for idea development. Let's say you oversighted. I would put CWC for citations and works cited. So you just want to kind of read your paper and try to figure out where you went wrong. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that I did not mark everything. Okay, so don't think you can go in and just correct all of the mistakes that I marked and turn that in as your final essay, because you're going to miss something. Treat this as kind of a guide for you to realize where your problem areas are. Okay, so once you're done with all of that, make sure you turn in your draft and your evaluation to me on Monday. That is the first thing I'm going to ask for in class that day. I need both of these documents. Okay, I need your draft because this is worth 25 points, and I need your evaluation because this is also worth 25 points. If I don't get them, you get a 0 out of a combined total of 50 points, which is half a letter grade. Okay, thank you all for listening. Listen to this again and again if you need to. Email me, send me a remind message if you have any questions. Have a great day.